second channel. This is the intro. Yes, we still haven't finished in McLaren because the body shop still haven't painted it all. Not blaming them, everyone likes Christmas break, but we worked through it. That's fair, isn't it?
We did the GT3 video.
We did the
Christmas.
GT3, yeah. So right now we're loading it onto the trailer because we're going to the Auto Sport Show, and I'm going to be taking the McLaren. You'll see the next car in a minute, and then another car which we haven't released yet. Which will they see in this or no?
Can we show that in the video?
No, not in this video. Secret car, but you might get a few hints in this video from the shape. It's a banana. I've got to reverse this on, haven't I?
Reverse. Does your DRS work?
Nothing works. Does Real Mania care about these wheels?
Nothing with a black paint can't solve. Oh my. Precision.
Every light is on.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
Woo! Front luggage is open.
Oh yeah, it is.
The Gallardo is on at its highest point because it's really steep to get on this trailer. This is going to be on our stand, and it's going to look really cool. It's really clean.
It's like a mirror.
Yeah, it is. So what we're going to do now is we have covered all this up in bubble wrap because we don't want it to scrape like it did on the RS6 and wreck the wheel. Although I do have a few chips in here, but I'm guessing that's from power. Dad's going to drop this down, and then we've got to get the new build on this. Everyone take guesses of what the new build is. We're at Auto Sport Show, and we're next to Bagsy's GTR, and this is going to be my Uber today. Bagsy's taking me out. Rude. We're now going to go out and do a little show for the crowd. Bagsy's going to drive the first time, then am I driving?
Later today.
Later today, apparently I'm driving. Look at this screamer bike. Fizz test. Well and truly pass. Flames are going to come out of that. I'm going to be passenger, and I'm the worst passenger in the world. Bagsy's late.
Where is Bagsy?
I know.
Oh, there he is.
Oh yeah, 4-star on Ubers now. Alright, how are you? Yes, you're my Uber driver.
Right, mate.
I'm the worst passenger. I feel sick quite easily. No.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm not joking. I hate being passenger. I just hate it. I just can't stand it. You know, like when people don't brake when I want to brake, I'm like, oh no, it's just not. I just hate being passenger. Have to be in control.
You can stamp your feet up and down when you like, but I ain't gonna slow down.
Yeah. Have you got any of the old shit handles? Is there any of them?
In all honesty, I don't crash that often.
Right, yeah.
You know,
That often.
But if we do crash, then we've got the right car for the rebuild.
But yeah, no, occasionally, you know, has been known. A few upside down moments in my career.
Oh yeah.
But in here, we should be fine.
There's a ramp, isn't there? There's a jump.
Yeah, there is a jump.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, though, if we hit the jump, we're doing something very wrong.
Yeah, we'll see about that. So I'm guessing you have like sequential box and stuff like that.
So it's not 4-wheel drive anymore, it's 2-wheel drive.
Yeah, the correct way to do a GTR, everyone.
Have you never seen under the bonnet?
No, I've not seen it.
Are you serious?
I've not seen it, no.
Let me show you under the bonnet.
Oh yeah, nice.
Oh my
Is that stock?
That's like struck me. What the hell is that? That's like a 10-inch downpipe.
That is mental.
Oh my god. That's insane.
So we swapped out the V6 for a V8.
And how much like, horsepower is that then?
So on low boost,
Yeah.
it's around 1,000.
Oh,
On high boost, when it brakes everything after this, it goes to about 1,200.
flipping out.
And it
Wow.
runs about 1.2 bar a boost. And then we can switch it to about 1.5, 1.6 bar, and that's when we get a lot more power. But at that point, everything starts to like disintegrate. I hear you want to have a go at maybe learning to do some donuts.
I'll have a go, yeah. we hopefully won't crash it. But
Yeah.
In all honesty though, right, you would, if you have a go at doing some donuts, you would be the first person to ever drift this outside of me.
Right, challenge accepted.
So no pressure at all. A couple of my team that work for me have obviously driven it around and done a few donuts, but no one's ever had a go at like properly drifting. So
Right.
Wow.
no pressure at all.
No pressure.
And the great news is that for me at least, I know you can fix it if you break it.
Yeah. Squeaky bum time now. in it. Makes my Lambo look tame. Bagsy's letting me drive the GTR. It's only like 1,000 and some horsepower, you know, like chill. The funny thing is, the seat don't move, and I'm like a foot smaller than Bagsy, so we're gonna have to.
Rest.
We'll make it up.
Got booster seats. I hope I can reach the pedals. This is gonna be my excuse if I crash. Oh, it's well far away. Yeah. Do I need to put this on like straight or?
Yeah, that's it.
The steering wheel's so far away.
Push the clutch the whole way down.
I only need a little bit.
What, stick 2 behind you to begin with?
God, the clutch is like I don't know, it feels like I'm pushing down. I don't know, what would you push down? It's really hard. There's no visibility at all. It's nothing.
The bonnet or not?
No. Okay. Right, so that goes on like that. And we're ready. How do I start it?
That switch there,
Right.
turn that on.
On.
Wait for the dash to turn on. And then the top right switch, that one.
That thing?
Yep, press that. And then that turns the ECU on, and then bottom right one to start it. Then you just hold it down. And then it's just clutch in and just pull the shifter back quite hard. That's how you go into gear.
Okay.
Just pull the shifter back, that's it, now you're in first.
I had to go back to neutral.
And then so you've got to pull this up, and then push it forward. There you go, that's neutral.
Okay. Wow, this is mad. I've never drove a sequential.
How do you feel?
A little bit nervous, a little bit confident. I don't know. Like,
This is Matt's first time driving a 1,000 brake horsepower drift car. What's your predictions?
Bagsy hasn't thought this through because it's in Matt's interest to crash it.
That is true because then
He hasn't thought, and he hasn't got his glasses on.
Oh my, that's
Yeah,
so true.
no. We literally left and he said, well, I've not got my glasses. I'm like, oh, you're fine. You
This is
won't
gonna
be
be class.
driving.
This is going to be class content.
It genuinely might crash it.
Here we go.
Yeah, I was quite impressed.
Impressive.
You look pretty cool.
Now he's got to do the whole track now?
Yeah, he's got to link the whole thing.
Yeah, without hitting anything.
I thought that as well.
I got scared for a minute. I'm going to put a new kit on this tonight.
Like a live show tomorrow. Let's book him up.
Do you know what? It feels a lot easier than a road car to like slide. It feels like you're more in control. Like, it doesn't feel as hard work. But the thing is well live there. Like, you know, you just like come out and you just have a little bit of fun. It's like, hello, it just goes. Like, oh,
You did really well. I'm surprised with how long you kept
it's
it
like
going.
it feels like really, I don't know, you can actually think when you're doing it, whereas I feel like when you're in a road car you're like panicking. That's nuts. I love
Maybe you
it.
need to build one now.
That's a 10 out of 10.
Would you get a GTR?
Yeah, I'd get a GTR. We're gonna go round this. When I feel it's right, boom, transition in. Figure of 8, first try.
First try, you reckon? Hannah said she's going to spin that one.
That was sick. Oh my god.
for a sec?
Yes. Oh, I don't know, crash. That was sick. Did I look good?
Yeah, I did actually.
Yeah. Right, I reckon you might be able to have a day off.
You want to do tomorrow's show as
I'm
well?
bombing myself a bit. That is unreal.
What's the score out of 10, Mark? What do you reckon?
That was flipping brilliant. That was amazing.
That felt sick. I think I'm going to get banned on the way home. We have a limited edition, it's quite exciting, Matt Armstrong Y-Food. We've been a partner with Y-Food for so long now that we've actually made a limited edition bottle. Matt Armstrong on there, MA on the top, little brum brum on there, and we've got like a big queue of people. We're going to have our first test experiment. Who's trying it? Do you like banana?
Yes.
Yes, good, because this is my favourite flavour. Happy banana, perfect review, make it good. There's no bias in here, there's a complete neutral review. This is how it's going to come. There's only a limited amount of bottles of this Y-Food, and here it is.
It's very tasty.
It's good. What's
So-
it taste like?
Banana.
Wow! Well, that one's yours to keep. You've got the first Matt Armstrong exclusive bottle. There's only a limited edition made. Do you like banana?
In drinks,
That's a no.
yes.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like bananas myself, but in drinks it's not too bad.
Oh, this one could be a, this one could be a
Oh,
different
shaky.
one. There you go. Bottoms up.
You know, that's quite nice.
Yes, there we go.
That's really nice.
There we go. Can we get a second opinion? It's good, isn't it?
Banging.
That's solid.
I'm not going to have a pasty now.
Why? Because you'd have that instead.
Yeah, it's more healthy, isn't it?
So if you don't know what Y-Food is, 26 vitamins and minerals in it, it's high in fibre, high in protein, it's lactose-free, it's gluten-free, and there's no added sugar. It's a meal replacement drink. And this is massive because now it's got my name on it. This is a limited edition drink. I don't know how long stock will last, but if you order now, you will get it, and before we post it on the main channel as well, so you guys get an exclusive access. There's a link on screen with a discount code now to go and grab one. Go and enjoy it. It's a perfect meal replacement drink, especially if you think about getting healthy this year. Cheers, guys. Any idea what this one is?
Let me I think it's a Mclaren, no?
It is.
Yeah, so I just saw the rear wing I recognized and the orange.
So yeah, it
seats,
was
yeah.
it was a McLaren.
Yeah.
This
It's
one's
still a Mclaren, no?
well, yeah, it's still a McLaren.
Yeah,
It's just got no body panels
No,
on
no.
just yet. This one's come from Amsterdam. It was crash damage, but it had damage to the carbon, and you probably know in F1, as soon as something's been smashed with carbon, it was just irreplaceable as part of the structure. So we had to replace the whole tub.
But did you put a new tub on?
Yeah,
Okay, you
so it's
couldn't
like,
fix it. Yeah.
No, no. Would they
Was not
fix it?
worthwhile.
Would they fix something like that in the F1 if there was a smash on the carbon tub?
If it depends, you know, on a F1 chassis, they are so tough now with the safety. So you fix it up to a point, but if it is, you know, it's not worthwhile. You know, it's
Yeah.
better to make a new one because
That's
you
exactly the
cannot,
same
yeah.
with this. We took it to McLaren, and they was like, if it was a small,
then
if it was a
yeah, you
small
do a
one,
local patch, but no.
yeah. In the end, we had to replace the whole tub, and we're nearly there. We just now need the body.
I think nearly is a little bit exaggerated. Still ways to go here, but
It does start. It does drive as it is, but
Oh,
yeah,
that's right. Yeah,
It just needs a few more panels on it.
But is people coming with to you with these cars if they damage
Yeah,
them
so-
because they know you now, so they say I've got something.
Yeah, so this was a breaker's yard. It was going to be scrapped.
Okay.
It was going to be because of the damage to
Yeah,
the tub, which we've still got the carpet, which is broken, which is where it was damaged. The guy contacted me and said, this car is going to be scrapped, but I think it might be rebuildable because the only main damage is just the tub. Do you fancy it? I'll give it you cheap. And I come over, had a look at it. I was like, yeah, go on. And we
said,
bought
what is
it.
cheap? What is cheap?
Yeah,
You know,
that's
exactly,
it. Yeah, what is
Yeah,
cheap?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, cheap.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's relative cheap, you know.
Do you have a
so-
supercar?
No,
No.
no.
Not at all. So what do you drive?
So I tell you, a Toyota Tundra.
Toyota.
You know what a Toyota Tundra is?
No.
A pickup truck.
A
I live in the
pickup
States.
truck?
I live in the States. You know? I live in the
Oh,
States.
everyone drives pickup
Pickup
trucks in the
trucks,
States.
yeah, I get a
Oh,
Toyota
okay.
Tundra, yeah.
And that's just the daily driver then?
Yeah,
just
that's
a-
because I'm there so little, you know. I don't need and I love it, you know.
Yeah.
It's when I moved to the States, it's like my living room back in Italy was smaller than the Toyota Tundra, you know. So
yeah, that's it. So that's it. You don't own any other car?
no.
It's
I'd once a Porsche, but that was a long time ago, 18 years ago.
Yeah.
But no, since then, no supercars anymore. You know, cannot afford them, not like you. You know,
Oh,
man.
yeah. I bet.
I
Well,
like your Lambo. I mean, I like them.
So
was that damaged badly, the Lambo? Or?
no, so that one was actually not damaged.
Ah, okay.
That one we bought, and then I put 2 turbos on the back. And
you pimped it up.
Yeah, it's like 1,000 horsepower, rear wheel drive. It kills you. Like that is.
That's why I like it. It's a rear wheel drive. It's nothing, you know.
That's
it's
it.
simple,
It's a
yeah.
proper car.
It's simple. Yeah, exactly,
that's it. Well, maybe one day we'll get you around a supercar. But thanks so much for your time today.
thank you.
It's been
Nice
amazing.
to meet you, man.
Thanks so
Nice
much.
to meet you.
Cheers. Right here is the new project. Once we finish the McLaren and the RS6, it is called the Blur because you can't see it. But you're going to see it in a couple of weeks. Some of you might have already seen it. But you're going to see it in a couple of weeks. And here is our winner of the Porsche Cayman S. I don't feel as bad now. It's settled in for me, but you're gonna really enjoy it, mate.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
And your plan is to still drive it for a bit. You've insured it, haven't you?
Yeah, that's it. So enjoy it.
Oh yeah.
love it.
How many tickets did you buy?
3.
3 tickets.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Not loads, but I think the last guy had 2 tickets. So 3. Not bad. Good win.
Your missus said not to buy any as well, didn't
Yeah,
she?
she did the night. So I watched the video the night it dropped where you was announcing you was raffling this. She was like, "Don't you dare buy any tickets. Don't you dare, like no one ever wins." And then I was watching the live and she was like, "You bought tickets, didn't you?" I was like, "Yeah, of course I did." And then, yeah.
Oh no, wicked.
Because when you rang me, I was like, "No, this is a joke. Like this ain't real." Like that's why I answered the phone so shocked. I was like, "No, this still ain't like real."
It's real now. You're gonna enjoy it. Good luck with it.
Perfect weather for it.
Yeah, perfect weather. Soaking wet, rear wheel drive. Have fun. Goodbye to the Cayman S.
It looks so good.
And the new owner is a subscriber who watches the channel and watches the videos within the first 24 hours, obviously. So it's gone to a good owner. All of us guys did that. He's gonna love it. Hopefully he doesn't crash it. He's only 21. It's a fast car for a 21-year-old. Well, now we've got that to get on with.
Better get started.